Hello everyone. Welcome to Jai Ganesh English Medium School Malvan. Today, October 2 is a special day in India for two reasons. First, birth date of Mahatma Gandhi. Born as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, he played a crucial role in India's independence. Second, birth date of Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was a popular freedom fighter and was also the Prime Minister of India during the 1965 India-Pakistan War.
आज है 2 अक्टूबर का दिन, आज का दिन है बड़ा महान। आज के दिन 2 फूल खिले हैं जिनसे महका हिंदुस्तान। नाम एक का बापू गांधी और एक लाल बहादुर है। एक का नारा अमन, एक का जय जवान जय किसान, जय जवान जय किसान।
Hello, my name is Kaustu Srinivas Pala. I am from Jai Ganesh English Medium School, Malvan. I am here to present a short speech on Mahatma Gandhi. So let's start. The father of the nation, how great is this title? The one who treated his nation as his family and devoted his full life in serving the nation. He was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Hello and welcome to all the people present here on the occasion of Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. First of all, happy Gandhi Jayanti to all of you. I am here to speak a few words about this great personality, and I feel great to have this magnificent opportunity. October 2 is a national holiday in India, but people across the country and globe celebrate the occasion by participating in functions, theatres, community services, etc. Schools and educational institutions hold activities like essay writing, art and poetry competitions to honor this great personality who left no one unimpacted. Indian history will always write the name of Mahatma Gandhi in golden texture. His greatness can't be described using all the adjectives found in dictionary. He was such a great person who not only impacted India but also abroad. Being impacted by his personality, United Nations General Assembly marked his birthday anniversary as International Day of Non-Violence. This is because his way to take a stand out for rights was non-violence. In 1893, when he was in South Africa, he had to suffer discrimination due to his heritage and skin color. He was not allowed to sit with European passengers on train. He was ordered to sit on the floor, then beaten with when he refused. He fought there against the British for the votation of dark-colored Asians and became successful. He always be an inspiration for all the Indians. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arya Ashwin Dihe from Standard 4. Today I am going to tell you about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was a great freedom fighter who served as second Prime Minister of India. He was born to Sharada Prasad Srivastav and Ram Dulari Devi in Mughal Sarai near Varanasi on 2nd October 1904, sharing his birthday with Mahatma Gandhi. In his later life also, he was deeply influenced by Mahatma Gandhi. He was a humble, soft-spoken but a strong leader. He played a constructive role in governance of India as a railway minister and as a home minister. In 1964, he became the Prime Minister of India and led the country towards progress. Lal Bahadur Shastri's slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan during the 1965 war boosted the morale of soldiers as well as farmers. To boost India's food production, he promoted Green Revolution in India, which led to an increase in food grain production. He also promoted the White Revolution, a countrywide campaign to increase milk production. He supported the Amul Milk Cooperative at Anand in Gujarat and created National Dairy Development Board. He was the first person who was awarded Bharat Ratna after death, and Memorial Vijay Ghat was built for him in Delhi. Hard work is equal to prayer was his belief. Friends, walking with his belief will be a real tribute to him. Thank you.
Hello everyone. On this great day, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. It's great pride and honor I want to say a few words about the father of our nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Gandhi Jayanti is known as the International Day of Non-Violence. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. He was the son of Karamchand Gandhi and Putribai. He was raised in a very religious background, and that was the reason from the beginning itself he was taught about the importance of self-discipline and non-violence. At the age of 19, Gandhi left his home to study law in London. He started his law practice in Bombay Court in 1891. Gandhi started teaching everyone the concept of truth and firmness or satyagraha. He believed that passive resistance was the only way to fight against violence, discrimination and injustice everyone faced. And through passive resistance, only can freedom be achieved. He was the most visible leader in the movement for Indian independence. I want to conclude by saying that the life of Mahatma Gandhi is an open book where we could learn how to approach life and the importance of non-violence. He lived for the country's betterment and he died for the country. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. What is the importance of 2nd October? 2nd October is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri. I would like to say a few words about Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904. His father's name was Sharada Prasad Srivastava and his mother's name was Ram Dulari Devi. Shastri's thoughts were influenced by reading about Swami Vivekananda, Gandhiji and Annie Besant. He was deeply impressed and influenced by Gandhiji and he joined Indian independence movement in the 1920s. He worked for the betterment of the Harijans and dropped his caste-derived surname of Srivastava. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India. He promoted the White Revolution, a national campaign to increase the production and supply of milk. He promoted Green Revolution in India. He led the country during the Indo-Pakistan War of 1965. He was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna. His slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, became very popular during the war. The war formally ended with the Tashkent Agreement on 10 January 1966. He died the following day, that is, he was died on 11 January 1966. Still in Tashkent, the cause of his death is dispute. His nickname was Man of Peace. More than 30 years of dedicated service were behind Lal Bahadur Shastri. In the course of this period, he became to be known as a man of great integrity and competence. He was a man of the people who understood their languages. During this 117th birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri, I would like to give a big salute to him for showing our gratitude towards his dedicated services to the nation. Thank you.